Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I'll be explaining to you guys how you can edit your TikTok shop with the example of adding products and things of that nature. So let's get right into it, but before I do, let me explain what TikTok shop is. Excuse my stuttering. TikTok Shop is a replacement for the TikTok storefront, which was active with the Shopify service. They decided to end their partnership, and now TikTok is just creating their own shop without a middleman to be involved in that. You can do it directly through the app, which is very nice. But yeah, let's get into the actual uploading the products. A single upload can be done by going into your TikTok Seller Center under Manage Products or under Products. You can go to Manage Products and you can just click on Add New Product, or you can just directly click on Add New Product under Products, and you'll get pretty much the same result. You need to describe what you're selling with the product name, the category, the brand, and things of that nature. And once you fill out that basic information, you can upload product images. And once you do all of that, you can also upload a video as well. And another thing that you need to do is provide certification for your product, which is legally required for any of the regions that TikTok Shop is active in currently. And this is an example of the report that you need to provide once you are registering your new product. A test report as well, cosmetic product notification, etc., etc. These are all examples, and yeah, so on and so forth. You need to describe all of these pieces of information, such as the variation, the identifier code, the SKU list, and in general things of that nature. You can also do bulk or batch uploads, which you can do here. There are a lot of things that you can do through the Seller Center. I'll leave you that to your experimentation. But yeah, that's the gist of it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.